Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need rainbow and clear pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a long piece of string, and a needle. And you're going to start with this pattern here. So go ahead and stop the video and get to this point. And then once you have all your beads on, we're going to tie this. And then cut the small piece off. You're going to put your needle on the long end of the string, and we're going to go through all of these clear beads. And our pattern's going to be clear, pink, clear, pink, clear, 2 pink, a clear, pink, clear, pink, clear. Okay, once you have those on, we're going to go through these orange beads. We're going to put on a clear, yellow, clear, yellow, clear, 2 yellow, a clear, yellow, clear, yellow, clear. We're going to go through both of these green beads. We're going to add a clear, blue, clear, blue, clear, 2 blue, clear, blue, clear, blue, clear. Okay, this part's going to be all clear, so we need 12 clear beads. We have 12 clear beads. We're going to go through these 2 clear. Okay, we're back at the pink, so we're going to do the same thing that we did over here on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last beads, which were 12 clear. Now we're going to go through these 2 clear, and then we're going to go through all these beads. So we went through these 2 clear and then all of these beads. We're going to add 2 orange and go through the yellow. We're going to add 2 green and then go through the 2 blue. So we're just matching the pattern on this side over here. So 2 purple, going through the 2 clear, 2 clear, going through 2 pink, 2 orange, going through 2 yellow, 2 green, and then we're going to go through the 2 blue, 2 purple, and then we're going to go through the 2 clear, and then 2 clear, and we'll go through the 2 pink. Now you're going to want to pull that tight. And at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and make a knot so it doesn't move while I'm doing the top part. We're going to take our needle and go through these 3 beads. We're going to put on 5 orange. And we're going to go through this yellow. I mean, not yellow, I'm sorry, the middle clear. We're going to add on 5 yellow. And we're going to go through this yellow. We're going to add 5 green. We're going to go through this middle clear. And that's what it looks like so far. And I'm running out of string, so I'm going to go ahead and tie on another piece. Okay, now we're going to add 5 blue. We're going to go through this middle clear. We're going to add 5 purple. We'll go through this middle clear. We're going to add 5 clear. Go through this middle clear. Five clear. Go through this middle clear. 5 pink. Go through this middle clear. We're going to add 5 orange. Go through this middle clear. 5 yellow. Go through this middle clear. 5 green. Go through the middle. 5 blue. Go through the middle. 5 purple. Go through the middle. 5 clear. Go through the middle. 5 clear. Go through the middle. And then our last set of beads will be 5 pink. And we're going to go through this middle bead. And it'll be easier if I tie it on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and take my needle and go across and then tie those. Okay, guys. So you can, when you have this on your wrist, you can stretch it out, or you can put the ends together and wear it flat, which is kind of neat. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.